In this video, I will show you how to enroll in cross-institutional courses offered by another higher education institution. Enrollment for cross-institutional studies is done through your home institution's Pakki student desktop. When you enroll in the cross-institutional study service, any courses you complete at another higher education institution will automatically be transferred to your home institution's personal study plan (PSP). For degree students, these courses are free of charge when enrolled through the Cross-Institutional Study Service (RIPA). Before you enroll, familiarize yourself with the course content. If you have any questions about the course, please contact the institution responsible for organizing it. Discuss the suitability of the course for your study plan with your study counselor, especially if you intend to use it to replace one of your own courses. If you cannot see the course offerings, the reason is usually one of the following. Data loading is still in progress or is taking longer than usual. The course offerings have not yet been updated. The network has not been targeted to your right to study. The target higher education institution's enrollment is not active. The course name and/or implementation code has been entered incorrectly in the search field. Information is missing from your right to study. For example, your degree program, group, or type of education has changed, which prevents the offerings from being displayed. In this case, please contact Student Services. Searching and enrolling in cross-institutional studies. First, go to the Enrollments tab in the PSP Personal Study Plan. Second, click Search for courses. Third, click the Cross-Institutional Studies filter drop-down menu and select Include only cross-institutional study courses. Selecting Include only own (BUMC) study courses will filter the view to show only courses offered by your home university. Fourth, click Search. Fifth, click Enroll. If you know the name and code of the course, you can also search for it directly. Adding courses in the cross-institutional study network to the personal learning plan. First, go to the Selecting Studies tab in the PSP Personal Study Plan and click on the Add Studies button for the study module to which you want to add studies. Second, under the search box in the Study Search pop-up window, select the Cross-Institutional Studies radio button and then click on Search. You can see the organization arranging the courses in connection with the course code. Once you have added the course to your study plan, you can enroll in it under the Enrollments tab in the Enrollment Ongoing section. Enrollment via Study Search. First, on the Personal Study Plan, click Add Studies on the Selecting Studies tab and search for a course whose enrollment is open. Second, on the course description page in the upcoming course implementation selections, select Show Implementations and enroll. In this section, you can see all course implementations and their schedules. Third, select Enroll. After enrollment, when your enrollment is approved, rejected, or changed from rejected to approved, You will be notified in the Notices section in the Personal Study Plan Inspection tab, as well as in the Personal Study Plan Structure and Enrollments tab. You can remove a course from the Personal Study Plan for which your enrollment was rejected. Otherwise, it will remain in the Personal Study Plan with a rejected mark until the course implementation ends or a new enrollment for the course implementation begins. You can cancel an approved enrollment within the enrollment period. You can also cancel a pending enrollment after the enrollment period ends. However, your study right will remain in the institution. After the course has been assessed, the responsible teacher or study counselor can move a course placed in external studies to its correct position.